Louder, louder.
South Florida limo companies could be competing with out-of-state drivers during the Super Bowl. This after Broward County decided to issue temporary permits, which will let out-of-town companies do business here during one of the biggest sporting events of the year. Local 10's Ben Kennedy has more on the impact for local businesses.
That's a Hummer limo.
Luke Sadowski started Alpine Limo more than 10 years ago with just one car. That number has now grown to 10. But lately, even with more cars, business is down.
Probably about 40–50% than what it was in the good times.
Which makes this year's Super Bowl at Landshark Stadium vital for business.
Big money maker, so one of the best times of the year.
But Sadowski says he worries that money could go to out-of-town competition. That's because Broward County is issuing temporary permits for outside limo, luxury sedan, and shuttle bus companies to work here during the big game.
That thing's going to hurt us because we won't have enough work, and everybody else is going to come down here and they're going to do the job really cheap.
Broward County says it's issuing the temporary permits to help with the expected rush of people during the Super Bowl, and the permits are only good for 14 days between January 28th and February 10th.
Sadowski says it's still too early to tell what business will look like for the Super Bowl since the two teams haven't been picked yet. But so far, it's not good.
I'm not even have one reservation yet for Super Bowl.
In Hollandale Beach, Ben Kennedy, Local 10 News.
In order to get a permit, a company will have to show proof of insurance, vehicle registration, and a business tax receipt from their home state. Tonight, more than